Are you thinking about getting into the market of buying a home? Well, before you do, let's get some information put together about the different loan types. Hey everybody, I'm Carrie Long with Red One Realty Home Premier Group, and today I have brought on one of our lender partners. This is Kyle, Dave Grohl here with Moto Mortgage One, and he's going to go over a conventional loan today. So welcome, Kyle.
Awesome, thanks for having me. So just want to kind of touch base a little bit on the financing side.
Yeah.
Obviously the market is super competitive. There are several loan products out there, but today really conventional loan is what sellers think they have to have.
They do.
So just want to touch base with conventional products because there are multiple conventional products from 1% down to 5% down. A lot of people think, you have to have a 700 score and 20% down.
Yeah.
That isn't the case.
Great. And also with the 1% down, that would also free up some money for you as a buyer that you can use in appraisal gap funds too.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So if you're already in that position where you know that you're going to have to put 5 to 10% down, we can look at every aspect of that transaction and say, hey, if we go the 1% down route, now you've freed up 8% that you have saved to use that appraisal gap to win that contract. And that's something that we here at Motto pride ourselves on, is we look at the picture as a whole and tell you, hey, this is what you would be qualified for, and this is how this would work.
Great. Let's talk real quick about credit scores. So what kind of credit scores are we seeing that you need to have for these products?
For conventional loans, believe it or not, they will go as low as 620. In order to be at that 620 level, you're going to have reserves. You're going to probably have to have a minimum of 5% down.
Can you explain real quick what reserves mean?
So reserves simply are reserves. So what that means is after the transaction, after you've put down your down payment, your closing costs, the lenders know that your credit isn't quite 700. So reserves would mean that after all those money has been depleted for the purchase, that you still have some sort of money left, whether it be checking, savings, IRAs, 401ks, mutual funds, anything in that nature. The only thing is reserves cannot be gifted, as you can get a gift for your down payment. And the way that we battle that would be, hey, great, you have $10,000. Let's get a gift from your mom for the other 10, because we're going to use 7 of your 10 for the down payment and closing costs. Now you have $3,000 left that would count as those reserves.
Nice.
So working with a lender that knows the ins and the outs of every product is where you're going to be successful in winning this offer in a competitive market.
Absolutely. And conventional really is one of the better loans to have when going into a competitive market with multiple offers. Not as stringent as an FHA or VA or any of the government loans in property condition.
And let's talk about that. And I see this a lot. A lot of sellers think we don't want to go FHA because the house isn't perfect.
Right.
So conventional has this mindset, and sellers and listing agents and everybody think we want conventional because the house isn't perfect.
Right.
FHA is really strict on guidelines as far as handrails, peeling paint, broken windows, stuff like that. And a lot of the homes that can go conventional or even FHA, a lot of listing agents have this mentality or mindset thinking, well, we don't want to do this because it's going to slow down the process.
And it's not.
And it's not. I can tell you, I just closed what's closing today, an FHA deal in 7 days.
Whoa.
And that was with an appraisal.
That's crazy.
So it's there.
Yeah.
And I think it's just like people have always thought, 20% down.
Right.
You don't need that.
Right.
And now people think, we have to have conventional.
Right.
It's not necessary. But as a lender, it's going to take me contacting that listing agent to say, hey, this buyer can go conventional.
Right.
But it's really going to be more beneficial if we go FHA. They really love the house. What can we do to get them there? And that's something that we're willing to do, is contact that listing agent to say, hey, we have a buyer.
Right.
And Carrie's going to submit their offer. But I wanted to reach out, introduce myself, explain the client, and just get the feel. Do you want them to go conventional? Is that what's going to win it? Because they'll do it.
Right.
But in reality, I'm closing FHA deals in 7 days.
That's great.
So
That's
just
really unheard of.
opening up
Yeah.
that box
Yeah.
and allowing everybody to know, hey, this works,
Right.
but it's not the best for the client.
Right.
And opening that door and opening and starting that conversation with the listing agent. They want the house.
Yeah.
We'll go conventional, like I said, but it's not the best bet.
That's great. I mean, we're going to go over, we have a whole lender series here with Kyle, and we're going to go over all the different loan types and give you some pros on all of them. And below here, we will link his contact information if you want to get in touch with him about some more information on getting pre-approved for a home mortgage. And, keep watching. We drop new videos every Thursday. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And from all of us at Home Premier Group and Moda Mortgage, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.
See you soon.